What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. This place is absolutely packed. I had to park kind of far away, but we're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, we got lots of video games here. So the sale today is 50% off of everything besides red. So I'm seeing lots of blue in here, which is good. There is some red mixed in. Looks like this has been picked through since it's a complete and total mess. Rocket League for $5, that actually might be good. What else do we have in here? Uncharted, Destiny, Lego City, no. Freedom Fighters, that's a fun game, but not for $8. Not seeing anything else. Uncharted for $5, Borderlands for $4. Oh, they're re-releasing this game, so at $5, it is complete, so I think we're gonna snag that. I just realized there's all more over here too, so let's see what else we got. We got Batman, Scribblenauts, Millionaire. Lots of sports games. Alright. Man, this is hard to flip through. Oh, Guitar Hero World Tour. I don't think it's worth a lot on the Wii. Also, you have Kane and Lynch for $4. That might be, but I could be totally wrong. I like to just throw everything in my cart and look up the prices afterwards. Oh, for $2? Yeah, I'll take that. Sometimes it's good just to have replacement cases for $2. Like, here's a Switch game for $4. I doubt it's worth it, but I have 0 Switch replacement cases, and it might be worth it. All right, what else do we have in here? Oh wow, Rash Time. I've never seen this game before. I'll throw it in the cart. All right. Oh, we have Mario and Sonic. $13. That's a little high. Ooh, Ratchet and Clank for $5, but it's complete. We'll take that. All right. Not seeing anything else though, so we'll have to keep looking. All right, we got a whole bunch of media on the other side of the video games, and I found a couple things that were worth it so far. We have a brand new sealed Scooby-Doo, $2. I'll actually make about 20 on that. We have a little box set right there, sealed Californication, and we're just gonna keep looking through this stuff, see if we can find anything. So first thing I like to do is find all the sealed things. So we'll just take anything sealed, put it off to the side, and I will scan all of that. Like, I highly doubt the notebook's worth it. I highly doubt this is worth it, but you never know. So I'll put that all up here to start. Ooh, we have a bunch of sealed right here, so I'm just gonna start scanning this. If I find anything, I'll bring up the camera. So after going through most of the DVDs here, we did find a couple. We have The Mistresses Volume 1. I always like to scan anything by BBC Video, and I tend to find some pretty good things, and this is used, so that's still good. This is brand new, Touching Evil 3. It just looked like something weird, something I've never seen before, and it's worth some money. And then Whip It, it's brand new. There's a little sticker residue there, so I gotta take that off, but it's still completely sealed, so not bad. Time to keep looking around the rest of the store. We have a lot to look through. All right, this is interesting. These are all the records, and this band right here, the Forum Delegation, never heard of them, but every single person signed it. So I'm gonna look up this band. Maybe it's worth something, maybe not. It's $8, but it's completely autographed, so that's kind of cool. All right, we got a lot of board games to go through here. Oh yeah, I found one record here that was worth it. It's brand new sealed, it's $4. Sells for about 20, I believe. But I definitely want to check some of these board games up here. Alright, so the music is very loud in here, so we're going to do a quick voiceover and take a look at this Hot Hoops basketball game. I had this game growing up, and it's only $1.99. I did end up checking it, and it is complete inside of here. This thing is pretty sweet. We also grabbed a few things in the cart. We have this Pirates of the Caribbean Pirate Dice game. Take a look, 99 cents. Look at how much this thing is selling for. Almost $100. That is insane. We're definitely going to grab that. We also got this Go Nuts for Donuts game right here. Never seen this before. 99 cents. Now, it's not quite going for $100, but still some pretty decent money. We'll definitely take that as well. Now, I always say to look out for kind of offshoots on brands. So you have Star Wars Battleship, sometimes you have Doctor Who Monopoly, and you could see that this kind of stuff is valuable once you have two crossover brands. We also have this Create a Night Sky projection kit. I've actually bought and sold these a bunch of times for $3. It's an easy pickup, super fast seller, very happy about that. And then this Exploding Kittens game. I am actually restricted on Amazon, but I can sell it on eBay, so that's why I sell on Amazon and eBay. You can make money both places. We're grabbing this hot hoops. Let's keep looking around the store. Alright, I ended up finding one more game for 99 cents, and these speakers are super loud, but I found all these jerseys here. What are the odds of finding a good jersey or one? Oh my gosh, $50? That's nuts. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the odds of finding a decent jersey are probably slim to, $30 for this Saybrook jersey. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So I'm looking in a section I normally never look at. It's like the Christmas stuff, and I saw this interesting Disney thing right here. Merry Christmas 1983. And I looked it up, and on eBay the cheapest one's about 20 bucks, then afterwards 25. So I was like, okay, well, maybe if it's a couple dollars I'll mess with it since Christmas is coming up. I took a look, $49.99. What? Okay, we'll leave that behind. Alright, so we got the cart pretty full. I'm happy with it. I think we're gonna head out because the line is short right now and go to the next store. We're gonna go check out a game exchange, see if we could find anything there at all, but it's definitely time to go. Alright, here we are outside the game exchange. Let's head inside and see if we find anything. Alright, so I love to check out their games and toys because sometimes you can find some pretty good hidden gems in this section. We have a bunch of action figures up there. I don't think anything here is retro. This is kind of cool, this Bandai Digimon. I don't think it's 2019. They're only asking, it's from 2019. They're only asking $9.99, so might look into that a little bit. We have an Ozzy Osbourne action figure. Looks, yeah, it's still brand new, I believe. They're asking $9.99. So these could be some decent things. So I'm gonna start scanning in here. We have some Halo figures, lots of comics, some, I think, game guides and graphic novels, lots of magazines. I also do pretty good with movies and DVDs here, so we're gonna take a look into that. We have some WWE Elite action figures here for $15 each. That guy kind of looks like the Predator. Who is that? Luchasaurus? I've never heard of him. Okay, so I'm gonna start looking into this stuff. So I didn't find much in the toys, but I did find a Deadpool video game selling for $37. Pop a screenshot up for you guys. It'd make about $12 or so after fees. Not bad. I might grab it because it does sell kind of quick. I've sold these a bunch in the past, but we're gonna keep looking. So I found a second copy up there. So now it's kind of worth it because this is about $24, almost $25. So I'll snag them. That's quick, easy money. We're gonna keep looking around though. Hopefully we find a couple more things than just this. I'm sure we will. Lots of video games, obviously. This is mostly a video game store, but they also have lots of DVDs and stuff. So we're gonna go check out over there too. So if you guys didn't know, Rock Band 4 on the PlayStation 4 is worth some pretty good money. They're asking $20 here, which isn't too bad. You can see right here on Amazon, selling for about $33, so you'd make $26. Actually, I believe those fees are not FBA. No, they're seller fulfilled, so we gotta switch to FBA. You'd only make $22.93, so I'm not gonna spend $20 to make $2. We'll leave that behind. All right, so we left Game Exchange and the thrift store. This is in the back of the car right now. It is pouring rain outside. This is everything I got. I got this double shutter shut the box for 99 cents. I'll pop the price up here on the screen. I'll pop the prices up for everything on the screen. We also got Go Nuts for Donuts for 99 cents. Great price right there. We got this Wodehouse Playhouse. I've never heard of this before, but for $3, definitely worth it. We got that brand new sealed Touching Evil that I showed you guys earlier. So I thought this was brand new sealed, but I didn't pay enough attention to it. Right up here, the plastic's missing on the case. So I can't sell this as brand new, but here is the brand new price if it were to sell for that. It's not really worth anything used. We have Californication for $6, but it was half off, so it was only $3, so I'll make some money there. Here's that BBC video I was telling you guys about, Mistresses Volume 1, definitely some good money there. Festive Follies collection for $2. I do okay with some Scooby-Doo stuff, especially sealed, so I'll take that. Now, I never ended up looking up this LOL remix, but at $4, it might be a winner or it might be a loser. Take a look at the price up here. I have no idea. Indiana Jones 2 for $2.50. Pretty good deal. It is complete in here. Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal is also complete for $5. Definitely worth it. A lot of Ratchet and Clank games have gone up in value. Same thing with Sly Cooper games, so keep an eye out for those. Asphalt 3D for the 3DS. Worth a little bit of money, only $5. Now this Exploding Kittens game, I am restricted on Amazon for. It's only $2. I think I get about 15 bucks on eBay. This I can sell on Amazon. This is Create a Night Sky Projection Kit. I paid $3 for it, and you guys can see I'm going to make a decent amount of money there. Got this Star Wars Battleship game here for only $1.99, $2. Selling pretty well, actually selling for a bit more than I had originally thought. A brand new sealed Sims 3 expansion pack, Ambitions, for $3 because it was half off. Pretty cool. We have a Pirates of the Caribbean Pirate Dice game for 99 cents. Pretty sweet there. It's kind of big and bulky, but I do ship almost all of this stuff off to Amazon FBA. A couple things will go on eBay, but not really. So yeah, not bad there. And then for $1.99, Hot Hoops. I might keep this. I don't know. I've always loved this game. I had it growing up as a kid, but I don't really need it, and I'll probably never play it. So I'll pop the price up here on the screen. It sells really well. It's complete in there. I checked everything, so sweet. Super happy to have it. Now I'll show you guys what I ended up grabbing from Game Exchange. Alright, this is my small stack of stuff I grabbed from Game Exchange. We have Wii Sports right here for $15. I normally use these as bundlers for selling Wii systems on Amazon, but this price is actually pretty good. You could sell this by itself. I'll pop up the Wii Sports price by itself on Amazon and still make a few bucks. So, hey, you know what? If I decide to sell it that way, I made some money, but odds are I'll keep it for a bundler. Deadpool right here, I ended up grabbing 2 of those copies. I told you guys what these sold for. Not going to make a lot of profit, but they should sell pretty quick. And then I snagged a Your Shape Fitness Evolved for $3.99. It's brand new sealed, so sweet, can't beat that. Not going to make a lot of money on it, but it's brand new sealed and it should sell relatively quick.